Hello guys, my name is George. I'm high trader for sukiaso.com and this video is for Cartel Club. Let's go. Okay, today we'll discuss about S&P 500, gold, silver, oil, and Bitcoin. Okay, let's go on with the S&P 500. Last week I gave you two major levels here. The first level was 6716. I told you we come here, we'll test this level. Here we had a false breakout and then sell-off came in. We got a big sell-off. We don't need this zone anymore. It's already worked out quite well. So we had a sell-off from this zone and we came to the next support. I told you this next support was a major support as it was the from where price made a new highs here. So this was a great support here, is great support, 6508 on US 500. It's a futures on Bitcoin. Oh, sorry, on S&P 500. Okay, so what do we expect right now? What I'm expecting right now, as we see the sellers came in, they actually, there was a quite by the dip here, quite price action. What I'm expecting is to retest these highs here. Here to retest again 6716. Either we will retest it and go lower, or we can make the false breakout, go under, retest as it becomes support, resistance, and then go lower. So this is a major level 6716 where we can short S&P 500. Why I do think to short S&P? Because with the political situation, with war in Middle East, and with the economical situation in USA, I don't think S&P have a momentum to go higher. But if we see that buyers came in quite nice, they actually, the bars will close above this resistance, and then we will retest as it becomes support, and the buyers will be like that. The sellers will be weaker than they were here or here. We must compare them. If the sellers will be weaker, then we'll continue going higher. So heads up on that. I don't think we'll have a momentum, but this is a second scenario. So joining shorts 6716. Also, if we come back to this support 6518, I'll see some of bouncing from here. If we'll bounce, but we will not go too far away, and we will squeeze to this level, then we can break this level and then can go lower. And lower is around, we can go as low as 67, 63, 64. So right now we're between two major levels, and we are trading only from levels. From higher level is 67.16 and lower level 65.05. Okay, let's go to gold. What we do have in gold? Last week I told you also we had two major levels to short. It was 46.79. We saw the price come to this level. We broke this, we retested it. There was a false breakout, retest, and then go lower. Right now we actually gone to 4100, and then right now buyers came in where we can join their sellers. Here we have the zone. So this is a resistance right now, 46.79. So I will look to short the gold from this level. Yes, this is a good level for short, as the sellers already have a result. They actually renewed this low, so they got the result here, and this is a good level for shorting the gold. Let's go to silver. Well, guys, silver, I gave you a level. Also, this is same level, 73.03. And to go on the low time frame, on an hourly time frame, we see here that I took a small trade. There was a breakout of this level, and I already took the trade. I took around 7%, 7.47%, around 7%, and I closed. My trade was closed here on where I closed it. $67, yeah, $67. Well, we had done a retest as it happened on the gold, and then there was also a second chance to go in, but wasn't at the computer, wasn't disposed, so I couldn't take this trade. But the second time was also a great trade to short the silver. So what we can do right now, where we should expect the price. As on the gold, we have a major resistance right now here. So if we come around $73, I will look to short the silver also, as this will be a great resistance, as the sellers renewed the lows as on the gold here. They renewed the lows, and the sellers are in control right now. So rather what I'm suggesting to join the sellers and not to go against the trend right now. The trend is bearish on silver. Where we can go from here? Well, if I'm shorting the silver from this level, from 73, I'm expecting to go all the way down to $54. As this already retested, this will be a weaker level. Well, we'll see some bouncing from here, but then we'll go to $54. So major level to short, 73, around zone $73 on silver. Okay, let's go to oil. Well, guys, on oil, there is not much to tell right now because we are in between the two trading zone here, trading levels here. If the price will go back to up to $92, then we will be in some kind of trading range. So on trading range, what we do know, the price can go up and down to this range like that. And to say the truth, how it looks like, it looks like bullish parrot. See, it came in trading range and then go up. So where do you expect the price, and where should we short or long their oil? Well, I do think that we do have also the upside on oil. So what I will look, if we'll break out $100, $101 on oil, I will look to long the oil, and this will be the trade up to $120, $190, around 18%. Well, this will be a good trade. So what we should look here, the breakout of this resistance, then retest it and go higher. And where we can join the buyers on retest. After retest and buyers will step in, we can join the buyers to go low. Because of the breakout, this can be a false breakout and it can go beneath the support. It will become resistance. We'll test it and maybe we can go lower. So be careful. Only go on tests. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Well, we have a support here on Bitcoin. We came to this support zone around $67 to $66,000. So right now I'm looking to where we can join the Bitcoin to short, because I do think that we will go lower, because this is a bearish flag on Bitcoin also. See, uh, we came in, we chopped in the price, and then go lower because it's a bearish flag, classical bearish flag. Where we can join the Bitcoin to short? Well, we do have here the small zone around 74,000. So I'll look if the price, if after we'll come to this level and the sellers will be much more stronger, then on the retest of this zone, I'll join the sellers and I'll short the Bitcoin around 66 until this zone. Small. This will be a small trade, day trade. So um, heads up on that also. Okay, guys. This is a small video. I will actually record explanation video how to read the market this week, and I will present you next week the educational video how I'm finding the levels, how I'm finding the zones, and how I'm trading um, generally. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a great week and have a great time.